The dark side of the moon. What NASA isn't telling us. For decades, NASA has explored the moon. But there's one place they rarely talk about: the far side, also known as the dark side of the moon. What's really out there? Why do conspiracy theorists believe NASA is hiding something? And what has China recently discovered that has shocked the world? Stay with us as we uncover the eerie mysteries, classified reports, and strange discoveries of the dark side of the moon. Is NASA telling us everything? Or is there something they don't want us to know? The dark side of the moon, what it really is. Before we dive into the mysteries, let's clear up a common misconception. The dark side of the moon doesn't mean it's always in darkness. Instead, it refers to the side that is permanently hidden from Earth due to tidal locking. This means we never see this side from our planet. Key facts. The far side of the moon was first photographed by the Soviet Lunar 3 spacecraft in 1959. Unlike the near side, which has large flat lunar maria, the far side is rough, mountainous, and heavily cratered. It wasn't until 1968, when Apollo 8 orbited the moon, that humans first laid eyes on it. But here's where things get strange. Astronauts and scientists have reported bizarre anomalies from the far side that have fueled speculation for decades. Could there be something NASA isn't telling us? Mysterious discoveries and strange anomalies. Over the years, NASA's missions have revealed unexplained phenomena on the far side of the moon. Here are some of the strangest findings. Discovery 1. The unexplained tower structure. Some satellite images appear to show a strange vertical structure rising from the lunar surface. Some believe this could be evidence of an ancient alien outpost, while others argue it's just an illusion caused by shadows. Discovery 2. The mysterious moon music heard by Apollo 10 astronauts. In 1969, Apollo 10 astronauts heard strange, whistling sounds while orbiting the far side of the moon. These space noises were recorded and later declassified by NASA. Could they be radio interference or something far more mysterious? Discovery 3. China's gel-like substance found in a crater. In 2019, China's Yutu-2 rover discovered a mysterious gel-like substance in a crater on the far side of the moon. Scientists still can't fully explain what it is, fueling speculation about unknown lunar materials. Conspiracy theories. Is NASA hiding something? The lack of moon missions and classified NASA reports have led some to believe that something is being hidden from the public. Let's explore the most infamous conspiracy theories. Theory 1. Secret alien bases on the dark side. Some believe NASA has intentionally avoided landing on the far side because of alien structures. Claim. Former NASA contractor Donna Hare alleged that photos of alien bases on the moon were covered up. Could there be ancient structures or even current extraterrestrial activity? Theory 2. A secret military base. Some conspiracy theorists claim that NASA, along with other space agencies, has a classified base on the far side. Reasoning. The moon's far side is perfect for hiding activity because it is completely shielded from Earth-based radio signals. Could militaries or private organizations already be setting up bases? Theory 3. The Apollo 11 missing time incident. Some believe that during Apollo 11, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin encountered something they weren't allowed to talk about. Theories suggest that NASA cut off public transmissions to hide classified information. Is it possible that they saw something shocking on the far side? China's recent mission and what they discovered, unlike NASA, China has made recent landings on the far side of the moon, and their discoveries have raised even more questions. China's Change 4 mission. In 2019, China became the first country to land on the far side of the moon. Their rover, U-22, sent back images of unusual rock formations. The biggest shock: the discovery of a strange cube-shaped object, nicknamed the Mystery Hut. What is China really finding on the dark side of the moon? And why is the US suddenly planning to return to the lunar surface after decades of silence? The future. What's next for the moon? NASA, China, and even private companies are now in a new space race to explore and possibly colonize the moon. But why now? NASA's Artemis program. The Artemis missions aim to put humans on the moon again, starting with Artemis 3 in 2026. Unlike Apollo, Artemis will establish a permanent moon base. But could there be other hidden reasons for this mission? China's lunar plans. China plans to build a moon base by the 2030s, possibly on the far side. Could they uncover something NASA has avoided for decades? So, what do you think? Is NASA telling us the full truth about the dark side of the moon? Or could there be hidden secrets we aren't meant to know? Do you believe there are alien structures on the far side of the moon? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep space mysteries. Until next time, keep looking up.